Think all camping chairs are the same? Think again. The right chair can make or break your outdoor experience. Whether you are lounging by the fire, soaking in the sunset, or enjoying a meal under the stars, your comfort depends on the chair you bring. From rockers to ultra-lightweight designs, we found the 5 best camping chairs that blend durability, convenience, and all-day comfort. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. Number 5. Moonlens Ultralight Folding Camping Chair. For campers who need an affordable, ultralight solution that still delivers on comfort, the Moonlens portable camping chair offers a solid balance. This 4th-generation design improves on previous versions by focusing on stability and strength while keeping the weight down to under 3 pounds. The frame is made from aircraft-grade aluminum with a reinforced triangular structure that adds rigidity and support. Despite its low weight, it can support nearly 400 pounds, which is impressive for such a compact build. The seating fabric includes durable Oxford polyester with breathable mesh panels that increase airflow and reduce heat buildup during extended use. Setup is straightforward thanks to a central linkage system that locks into place quickly. Once assembled, the chair provides a surprisingly supportive seat with an ergonomic curve that hugs your body. Number 4. Fairwind Oversized Fully Padded Camping Chair. The Fairwind Oversized Camping Chair is designed with maximum comfort and durability in mind, making it a favorite among campers who want space, support, and convenience. It arrives as a 2-pack, which is perfect for couples, families, or anyone needing extra seating for trips or events. This chair stands out with its extra-wide seat and solid alloy steel frame that supports up to 450 pounds. The fully padded backrest and seat offer a level of comfort not usually found in portable chairs. Whether you are sitting for an hour or an entire evening, the added cushioning helps reduce pressure points and maintain comfort. What truly elevates this chair is its adjustable lumbar support system. A built-in arch in the backrest gives you more control over your sitting position, which is a huge plus for those with lower back concerns. 4 cross-braced legs also reinforce the structure, making the frame incredibly sturdy even on uneven terrain. Number 3. Helinox Chair 1 Original Camping Chair. The Helinox Chair 1 stands out for its remarkable combination of lightweight and robust performance. This chair is designed for serious backpackers, hikers, and travelers who need to minimize bulk without compromising on quality or comfort. Weighing just over 2 pounds, this chair is impressively compact, folding down to a size smaller than a typical water bottle. Despite its lightness, it does not skimp on strength. Its frame is made from a proprietary aluminum alloy that is not only ultralight but incredibly strong. It holds up to 320 pounds, making it one of the most resilient chairs in its weight class. Number 2. GCI Outdoor Kickback Rocker Camping Chair. If you enjoy a gentle rocking motion while you unwind outdoors, the GCI Outdoor Kickback Rocker is a game changer. It is built for those who want more than just a static chair. With its patented spring-action rocking technology, this chair lets you gently sway on a variety of surfaces including grass, dirt, or pavement. Number 1. Coleman Portable Quad Camping Chair. When it comes to a balance of price, comfort, and clever features, the Coleman Portable Quad Camping Chair earns its top spot. What makes this chair stand out is not just its affordability but how much value it delivers for such a budget-friendly price. This chair is built for serious relaxation and convenience during any camping trip. The fully cushioned seat and backrest make extended sitting enjoyable, reducing discomfort even during long hours by the fire. The seat material is made of tough polyester that resists wear and stands up well to the rigors of outdoor use. Its alloy steel frame holds strong, providing reliable support across different terrains, while the wide design adds room for a more relaxed posture. Perhaps the most appreciated feature is the built-in cooler located on the armrest. It holds up to 4 standard cans, allowing you to enjoy cold beverages without having to get up. There is also a mesh cup holder and a side pocket that offers quick access to items like your phone, snacks, or a flashlight. Small touches like these make a big difference when you are out in the wilderness. If you enjoyed this roundup, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out the links in the description to find your perfect fit.